So he's just vacuuming out. He's got the vacuum set up outside. You see that hose? Fortunately, I got electricity out here, and I turned it on, and you got my air conditioner running up here. And so these bees were, I was messing with the water tank during hunting season when I was out here on vacation, and just had a random bee like harassing me, and it stung me, which was unusual because my beehives are way over there. And didn't realize until that point that some bees had moved in my camper, and I could not figure out, I did not know about how this cavity worked. I'm just not, not real good on figuring the layout of stuff. All right. So I'm seeing that light flashing. There's also another light on the inside of the glasses that will flash when it's about to go out for 3 minutes. It'll flash about 2 minutes and 50 seconds, giving you kind of a heads up. So a minute earlier, I thought the flashing light from the outside of the glasses on this reflection, I thought it was telling me time was about up. It's a tight space in here. I can't get down in there and show you. But
kind of interesting. You have bees bringing in nice bright yellow pollen.
oh yeah?